am hope for all who are hopeless. I have eyes for all who long to see. In the shadows of the night,